So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set priority notifications in Windows PC. So first of all, you guys will need to open your Windows settings, and after that you guys can see this notification option right here. Now just select on this, and now you guys can see this set priority notifications under the notifications option. Now you just need to select on this. So guys, as you can see that choose which notifications are allowed while do not disturb is on. All others will remain in notification center. Alarms and important app notifications are not affected by these settings. So you guys can just prioritize your notifications while you are on with the do not disturb option. So here you can just select your priorities by just adding some apps, or you can untick these options like this. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.